Hey crafty cuties, I have something super cute to show you today, and this is a deluxe journal kit from the Magnolia seed on Etsy. I am doing a lot of journal kit unboxings lately for you guys and like Etsy shop shares, and I just wanted you to know that I am absolutely planning in the month of September when my kids go back to school to actually start using these kits and do a lot more crafting. But for now, I'm going to show you the fun things that arrive in my mail. And yeah, she also provided a coupon code for you guys. I'll have it down below for her Etsy shop. It is 15% off. She also so sweetly sent me a journal, and this is just like an extra little gift that she gave me, but I had to show it because it's really cute. And I loved it. So thank you so much for sending me this. And now we're going to get into this kit. Okay, if you guys saw, I recently did like kind of a strawberry themed journal kit for Patreon, but this, I love that it's like strawberry shortcake. Oh my goodness, when I saw this, you guys. Let's start. I'm trying to figure out what to start with. I want to start with the fabrics. So let's do this. You also have this file folder that you could use for the base of your journal if you wanted, or whatever. You have this cute little paper clip with a little like red jewel on it. So I want to start with this fabric right here. Oh my gosh, it would be so cute to do a strawberry shortcake journal. I can't wait till I have some more time for crafting. I was even thinking that you could make several journals and then like cut these squares out and just use this as like a main image on your journal cover. I don't know. I feel like that's maybe what I would do, but also you could use this by itself and have a full-on strawberry shortcake journal. And then, of course, there are some coordinating fabrics. We have this cute little polka dot one. This is actually like strawberry shortcake. Oh my gosh, this one has teeny little like strawberries kinds. So cute. And then you have this one, and it's like really soft, kind of like a flannel, but a little thinner. And you get a nice big piece of this. Then we have some little ephemera pieces. And I know that she uses like actual like vintage items in her kits a lot of the times. And yeah, you can read the listing for any details or sizes as well. But she always has just lovely things in her shop. She has some playing cards here. Love that. Oh, cute. A cute little card. I really like how that like folds out too. I feel like you could put this on a page and then it folds out for you. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. A postcard with all of the strawberry shortcake characters. We have cherry cuddler, lime chiffon, butter cookie, and angel cake. I definitely used to watch Strawberry Shortcake, but it's been a while, so I don't remember all their names, but I love that all of the characters are in there. And then you get this cute little strawberry themed vintage card. Oh, also Strawberry Shortcake with an envelope. So much fun. And you get a nice little pack of things. You could probably make tassels, use these on your book pages. So you get a whole bunch of different buttons and beads in here. Little heart wooden buttons are cute too. You get some trims, or I guess you could use this for binding your pages together, or however you want. Really cute trim. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I feel like this would be really cute on the cover. And then you get some cute little, I love the hearts with the strawberry theme. I think it goes so well. Oh, cute. Look at this. It's a teeny little like stamp cutout of strawberry shortcake. That's so cute. You could make a cute little embellishment with that. And then you have some really cute little heart trim. In fact, I guess hearts kind of look like strawberries as well, so it does work really well. And you get a cute little strawberry. Okay, so let's put all these little pieces back in so I don't misplace them. And I'm excited to see what we have in the folder. I'm guessing maybe some pages. Ooh, okay, you have a whole folder full of things here. So let's go through this side first. I'm gonna take the paper clips off. Get vintage book pages. Cute little stationery. Book pages, or yeah, it looks like vintage, like dictionary pages. This one's so cute. Also love the colors because it really goes. That is really cute. Recipe pages. Some like math pages. I always think these are really interesting to use as book pages. Crochet pages. It looks like we have some notebook paper, graph, and like ledger papers. We get some like blank papers. Ooh, these ones, I'm curious if she dyed these. She may have. I feel like she might have, but yeah, these definitely look dyed, and the colors are so cute. So yep, love that so much. Because I don't really like dyeing papers all the time. It can be fun, but it's such a messy, big project. So having something like that in the kit is so nice. You get some strawberry papers, some little vines, scrapbook papers. Okay. So let's put these back, and I like that everything's like just neat and tidy in this little folder here. Then over here, it looks like there's some handmade elements. Oh my gosh, cute. So it looks like she like collaged on some paper, maybe made like a master board. And then this is such a cute idea to cut it out into the shape of a strawberry. I love that. And I feel like getting things like these in your kits can inspire you and kind of get your brain thinking of fun ideas too. Love the little band there. And then in here you get some little tags and fun little pieces. I think there's some smaller tabs. And some little strawberry themed scrapbook paper type things. I love that strawberry, and you can put it in the pocket actually. So cute. And then get a little glassine bag full of some goodies. I've been seeing a lot of people doing strawberry themed journals lately, and I just love it. It's so cute. So you get some little wax seals, stickers, little policy envelope that's already kind of like decorated for you, and I can feel that it has some things in there. What are these? Cute little strawberry cutouts. This is definitely the way to go to get like a very themed journal. Cute little glassine envelope. Looks like there are some strawberry themed stickers and like washi strips. I love these envelopes too. Little sticky notes on a really cute little notebook paper. Okay, I think we got everything. There is so much construction going on by my house, so I apologize if you can hear all that. I think my dog just started barking at it a little bit. It's been going on all summer, so I'm kind of used to it and like just tuning it out. Okay, so I love how I say sew, and then it's a sewing design. Whoops. We have another one of these cute little strawberries. This one's cute because it has like little sections instead. I love this idea so much. You get a little, a sewing pattern envelope. Let's see. I'm curious if it's filled with what we have in here. So a variety of like pattern pieces. That's so fun. Wow. This one looks very vintage. Oh yeah, so I guess this is like a doll sewing pattern. That's really cool because I feel like that definitely goes with the theme. So specific. You get some scrapbook paper pieces for like journaling cards, tags, whatever you want to decorate. Some fun basic items to use in your journals. Policy envelopes. This is a fun one. I love envelopes, honestly. So much fun to use in journals. Speaking of envelopes, you get a whole bunch more. A really fun, like, big index card. I don't think I've ever seen them this big. You get a couple of those. And then it looks like you get some doilies, some really big ones. Okay, she made this one into a little envelope. I forgot about that. That's so cute. Little heart-shaped doilies. And some trims here. Awesome. This is such a darling little kit. I cannot wait to have some more time so I can do some crafting because I just got so many ideas and I would love to see like what would come out of this kit if I were to get a chance to play around with it. So that's it though. At least I got to show you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed seeing this darling Strawberry Shortcake Kit. Be sure to go check out her Etsy shop, and if you have any questions, leave them below. I hope you guys have such a lovely day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.